My first question is, sir.
Yes.
May I know from the Honorable Minister for Revenue as to what measures are in place to prevent and measure disaster in this area and risk mitigation plans for the residents of the area under disaster management in the event of natural calamity?
Speaker, sir, government has identified and mapped potential areas with possibility of occurrence of landslides in a state including Marmagua constituency, and the same has been included in the same state disaster management plan 2024. This is as far as Marmagua is concerned.
Yeah, only Marmagua.
The Deputy Collector of Marmagua Taluka has directed the Talatis to keep a strict vigil on the landslide-prone areas identified by DDMA and also informed the local bodies to immediately respond to the emergency for evacuating the people residing in such areas.
Speaker, sir, during last 2 years, landslides are experienced at many places in Mormugao constituency. The official from Revenue Department in Mormugao, including Deputy Collector Mamledar Talati and their team, visited this area for site inspection. Speaker, sir, necessary reports are prepared and letters are sent to the Deputy Collector under disaster management at various, such as PWD Roads and Building Division and Water Resources Department for taking necessary measures to avoid further damages. As per the answer provided, there are about 8 locations where the landslide has been reported in last 2 years. And the area mentioned Kelilasa, Speaker, sir, that is Rumdawada, Jetty, Bogda, Bharatland, Destero, Sada and Harbar. Speaker, sir, I would like to request our Honorable Minister that inspection jata, Deputy Collector येता, Mamledar येता, Talati येता, सगळं inspection jata, and they send that under disaster management inspection jata. तर गेली 2 वर्षा. In 2022, जे landslide झालेले माझ्या constituency in Mormugao, जी जेटी एरिया असलेली आणि आमची बोगदा एरिया असलेली हांगा 2 कडे लँडस्लाइड झाले आणि हे 2022 जे लँडस्लाइड झालेले त्यांचो रिपोर्ट केलो आणि धाडलो आयज पर्यंत मिनिस्टर सर थंयसर कसलेच रिटर्निंग हॉल बांधलेले ना कित्याक एक्शन घेतले ना जेन्ना आमी फॉलो अप करता जाल्यार डिजास्टर मॅनेजमेंट म्हणटा कितें आमचे कडेन डायरेक्ट फंड ना जे आमी काम करूंक शकता वी रायट इट टू PWD कडेन जेन्ना आमी उलयता जाल्यार PWD म्हाका सांगता कितें आमचे कडेन जे फंड्स डिजास्टर मॅनेजमेंटाच्या अंडर काम घेवपाक लागून आमचे कडेन फंड्स कसले अलॉट केलेले ना म्हणटा अँड ऑल माय फायल्स वीच आर बीन सेंड बाय डिजास्टर मॅनेजमेंट ह्यो टोटल म्हाज्यो 8 फायली आसा सर जे 22 23 आनी आतां सुद्दां 24 परत लँडस्लायड जालेले आसा आनी 8 फायलीचे रिमार्क आसा एस्टिमेट अंडर प्रिपेरेशन अजून पर्यंत एक फायल क्लियर झालेली ना आणि 2009 आय एम व्हेरी थँकफुल टू ऑनरेबल चीफ मिनिस्टर ज्यांची घरात थंयसर जे लँडस्लायडीन डॅमेज झालेली विथ अलॉंग विथ आमच्या चीफ मिनिस्टरान तांकां रिहॅबिलिटेशन बोर्डान रावपाक प्रोविजन केल्लेलें आसा ते रावल्यार लोक कित्याक आपल्याक बाबा केन्ना ते घराचेर रिटर्निंग हॉल बांदतले आनी आमचें तें काम जातलें सो दीस आर मेजर इश्यूज हांव मागता आमच्या गव्हर्मेंटा कडेन स्पेशली आमच्या मंत्र्या कडेन हेजेर मातशें लक्ष घालचें
स्पीकर सर as far as disaster management is concerned, once we receive any complaints like for retaining wall or any other damages which has been created, and to do or to repair this thing, we don't have the funds. It is a department of PWD and the WRD department. I will just see Goa's State Disaster Management Authority constitutes of states, departments including fire and emergency services, PWD, WRD, Goa Police, Electricity regarding placing of disaster management fund at the disposal of the departments like PWD, WRD for taking up the civil works. Government does not allocate separate funds for disaster management to the line department. However, as subsection 1 and 2 of section 49 of Disaster Management Act 2005, every ministry or department of the Government of India shall make provisions in its annual budget. So, in the annual budget, when we make this thing, they should keep a separate provision basically for these things, which may not have been done. So that is the reason then after the department says that we don't have the funds to this thing. Our thing is whatever, we act like more of a postman. If anything is there, our Talati basically takes the, goes and visits the sites, takes the report and reports it back to the concerned department. And then afterwards, the department basically has got to do the follow-up.
Speaker sir, जे आमकां आन्सर दिला हांव मान्य करता, बट खंय तरी ऑन ह्युमॅनिटी ग्राउंड्स जे लँडस्लायड जाता, हय जे ह्युमॅनिटी ग्राउंडाचेर जे स्पीकर सर असली केसीस आसता आनी जे स्पेशली डिझास्टर मॅनेजमेंटाच्या अंडर आसता, ती खंयचो तरी PWD डिपार्टमेंटान ऑन प्रायोरिटी जे प्रपोज करता डिझास्टर मॅनेजमेंट, थंयसर म्हाका दिसता हे ऑन प्रायोरिटी हे जावपाची गरज आसा, नाल्यार हे लँडस्लायड जायत रावतले. Coming to question number 2, will the Honorable Minister for Revenue inform the House that how much is the fund received under disaster management from center and also from the state budget? And why isn't the same is utilized to construction of retaining to protection hall at this landslide area reported? कित्याक अजून जे म्हाका रिपोर्ट मेळ्ळो आसा, आन्सर मेळ्ळे आसा, तेज्या भितर जो सेंट्रल गव्हर्मेंटा कडसून फंड येयलेलो आसा फॉर 2022-23 इज 9.60 crores आनी स्टेट गव्हर्मेंटा कडसून येयलेलो आसा अमाउंट रिसीव्ड फ्रॉम सेंटर. ओके, आमचो 2023-24 परत सेम अमाउंट 9.60 आनी स्टेट गव्हर्मेंटा कडसून 2.40. So this is the amount. So whether this amount is been utilized for such type of thing, कित्याक सर आमकां आतां जेन्ना मामलेदार तेंचे इन्स्पेक्शन करता तांकां जे कितें थोडेशे हेल्प करपाचो आसता तोवूय हेल्प करपाक आमकां स्पीकर सर डिझास्टर मॅनेजमेंटा कडसून मेळना. हांव स्पेशली चीफ मिनिस्टरा कडेन वचून सीएमान तांकां हेल्प केलेले आसा अंडर सीएम रिलीफ फंडांसून, बट हे जे पयशे येता थंयसून आमकां तांकां त्या लोकांक डायरेक्टली हेल्प जावंक जाय स्पीकर सर. सो हांव मागता हे फंड जे आसा सेंट्रल गव्हर्मेंटाचे आनी स्टेट गव्हर्मेंटाचे हे फंड ते यूज करचे.
हे जे पयशे येता ते वॉल आनी हे बांदपाक न्हू, हे पयशे येता म्हणजे इक्विपमेंट बी घेवपाक. सो इक्विपमेंट कितें आहा ते आमी घेतलेले आहा आनी ते डिफरंट डिपार्टमेंट्साक आमी दिलेले आहा इक्विपमेंट्स. नाव एज फार एज डिझास्टर मॅनेजमेंट ऑथॉरिटी डज नॉट बिल्ड रिटेनिंग वॉल्स, all department keeps provision in the budget. So it is, you will have to this thing with the PWD department and WR department. Once we receive any request, we basically convey that request. We make a report from the, as I said, from Talati, Mamladar, and the Deputy Collector basically sends the report to the departments. And the department has basically got to take up the work.
स्पीकर सर, माझे इतलेच आसा आमचे ऑनरेबल मिनिस्टराक आनी तशें आमचे गोंयचे मुखेलमंत्री डॉक्टर प्रमोद सावंताक कितें हे जेन्युइन केसीस आसा 2022-23 आनी हे 2024 आमच्या मुर्मुगांव कॉन्स्टिट्युन्सी जेटी एरिया हरबर हांगा लँडस्लायड जाल्लेली आसा. सीएमान आमकां खूब हेल्प केलो आसा, तांकां रिहॅबिलिट केलेलें आसा, रिहॅबिलिटेशन बोर्डान तांकां रावपाक रूम दिल्लेले आसा, तांकां अंडर सीएम रिलीफ फंडान हेल्पूय केलेलें आसा, बट तांकां खंय तरी रिटेनिंग हॉल प्रोटेक्शन हॉल बांदले न्हू, जी आतां ते म्हणटा कितें तर रिपोर्ट अंडर डिझास्टर मॅनेजमेंटा कडसून PWD कडेन गेला रोड्साक आनी बिल्डिंग्साक ऑन प्रायोरिटी. ह्यो केसी जी आसा अंडर डिझास्टर मॅनेज ह्यो मातशे प्रायोरिटीचेर घेवची चीफ मिनिस्टर आनी मातशे हे जाग्यार उडोवची.